Hello dear guests, in front of us is free parking for the area and close to the property which you can rent. So here is the coffee shop which you can visit anytime. It's so close to the property, very easy to find. Detelina's coffee sandwich coffee shop. So you can park also on the street. It's also free of charge if you find any free parking place. So when you find the barber shop, then not the first door, the second door, this is the address. Sorry, let's see us. Черно, Море 95B. Then with the chip you go here in this column, you just pass like that, door is open and we go in. So number 2, straight door, just open down, yes, and you're in one of the best properties in our portfolio. This is the bathroom. Nice shower. Place for the shoes. Nice and cozy. Very good kitchen. Fridge, oven, microwave, coffee machine, couch, TV, and free Wi-Fi. The bedroom, nice and cozy too. With a lot of wardrobes for your baggage if you stay for a long time. And the best part of the property is the nice garden yard in front of the property with table, sunbed, tent. Enjoy your stay with Best Choice Holidays.